I am now going to demonstrate how the new Bezier curve functionality can be used to improve a flow line finishing toolpath that was created using a curve imported from another CAD system. The area we're going to look at is the undercut area in this region here. If I turn on the flow patterns that have been embedded into the CAD model and show the area that we now wish to machine. When I put on undercut shading, we can see it's nice positive draft here, which we can machine with the vertical axis and goes into that undercut area. I'll revert back to normal shading. When I put in the original tool axis curve that was created from a CAD system, which was created at a contact angle of 60 degrees, along this rad, then offset out and brought up to use to control my tool axes, I will use an original toolpath, show the settings to see that in the tool axis it's from a curve, and hit calculate. As PowerMILL's calculated this flow line machining, there's areas it cannot machine and it's had trouble. Upon investigation, I can see that the tool axis curve used is not smooth, and I'm sure that when I simulate this we will see. There's the tool. Oh, look at the wobble on the axes as it goes around. We can't send that to the machine tool. That is clearly not good enough. What we can do now in PowerMILL is we've recognised that's a problem, but we've improved the functionality to create a smooth curve. I'll turn off the surfaces. I'll turn off the toolpath. I'll remove the embedded pattern and look at this top one here. Using the Bezier curve, we can simply and easily create a small pattern. Create pattern, go into curve editor, select Bezier. We can click now as we go along. In the areas of the curve I'm happy, I can recreate a curve over them. However, when I come to areas of a concern, I can omit them. Go straight through and omit that bad area. Just click on the curve all the way through to the end. Press escape and done. We'll go and compare. We can see now in this area which was causing the concern, it is now a smooth orange curve. That white kinky curve now we don't need. So I can go back and recalculate with the smoother curve. Accept that one. Activate the new curve. Look at the settings to make sure I'm happy. Tool axis, new smooth Bezier. And calculate. I'll turn the surface on so we can compare. Now it looks a lot smoother. I'm sure when I simulate that we'll see this now in the tool axes. Now a much smoother tool axis motion, all using the new Bezier curve to create the toolpath.